How has insulin therapy evolved over time? Imagine a world before insulin was available, where diabetes was often a death sentence. Today, insulin therapy has come a long way, thanks to decades of scientific progress. It all started in the early 1920s when researchers at the University of Toronto successfully isolated insulin from animal pancreases. This breakthrough allowed them to test insulin on humans for the first time in 1922, showing it could lower blood sugar and improve symptoms. Soon after, companies like Eli Lilly began producing insulin on a large scale, initially using extracts from cattle and pigs. This early insulin was crude and sometimes caused allergic reactions, but it was a life-changing discovery. As scientists learned more about how the pancreas works, especially the role of the islet cells that produce insulin, they developed different types of insulin to better match the body's needs. In the 1930s to the 1950s, formulations with varying durations of action appeared. For example, NPH insulin, introduced in 1946, provided a longer-lasting effect, helping people manage blood sugar throughout the day. The 1950s saw the development of lenti-insulins, which further improved treatment options by offering more flexibility. Delivery methods also improved over time. In the 1960s, disposable syringes made injecting insulin more convenient and hygienic. By the late 1980s, insulin pens were introduced, making injections less painful and easier to carry around, which encouraged better adherence to treatment plans. A major leap forward came in 1978 when scientists used recombinant DNA technology to produce synthetic human insulin in bacteria. Marketed as Humulin in 1982, this biosynthetic insulin reduced allergic reactions linked to animal insulin and ensured a more consistent supply. The most recent advances focus on creating insulin analogs with molecular modifications that mimic the body's natural insulin secretion more closely. Long-acting basal insulins now provide a steady background level, reducing the risk of low blood sugar episodes, especially during sleep. Rapid-acting insulins help control blood sugar spikes after meals. Today, insulin delivery has become even more sophisticated with devices like insulin pumps and continuous glucose monitors that work together to provide precise, flexible management. These innovations have made managing diabetes easier and more effective, improving quality of life for millions. Understanding how insulin therapy has evolved also highlights the close link between pancreatic health and diabetes management. Since the pancreas produces insulin in the islet cells, any disease affecting the pancreas, like pancreatic cancer or pancreatitis, can impair insulin production. This often means people with pancreatic disorders may need insulin therapy to control blood sugar levels. While insulin therapy addresses the hormonal function of the pancreas, it does not treat pancreatic cancer itself, which underscores the importance of early detection and comprehensive care. In summary, insulin therapy has transformed from crude animal extracts to highly refined, genetically engineered formulations that better mimic natural insulin. These advances have been driven by a deeper understanding of pancreatic function and have significantly improved how we manage conditions that impair insulin production. Always remember, if you or someone you know is managing diabetes or pancreatic health issues, consulting healthcare professionals is essential for personalized and safe treatment.